everyone, Crafer here, and in this video, I will be teaching you the H tags. So, what is a H tag? So, H tags are used for giving headings or headings. So, means it will show up on your website. So, there are six different types of H tags. One is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So, as the number increases, the size of the text decreases. So, first go to Google, search Visual Studio Code. Then click on the download link. Then download the recommended software. Then go to your desktop, create a new folder, name it Visual Studio. Okay. Then open your Visual Studio Code, click on File, then click on Open. So if you're on Mac, it will show you Open, and if you're on Windows, it will show Open Folder. So you have to click on Open Folder. So open, then open the folder you recently created and open it. Okay, then inside the folder, create another folder. So you can name it anything according to your preference. So I'm going to name it H tag. Okay, then the folder is created. Then right click on that folder, create new file. So for the file, there are three types of file you can create in Visual Studio Code. So it's HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So in the first, you can name it anything. So I'm going to name it index dot. So after dot, you need to put the name of the file. So for HTML, it's HTML. Then enter. So you got the HTML file. Okay. So the website is divided into two parts. So one is the head and one is the body. So the head is the internal part of the website that will not show up. That includes the linkings and other stuff. And in the body, whatever you code will show up on your website. So to start it, you need to write less symbol HTML greater than symbol. So it autofills. So it will tell the code that's the HTML file. Then inside the HTML, you have to write the full code inside the HTML tag. So then give head. So the internal parts we will write in the head. So the parts are like, you have to give a title. So it will be the name of your website. Title, the then symbol. So I'm gonna name it tutorial. Then after title, after head, into go less than symbol, body. So in this tag, you have to write everything that you want to show up on your website. It's then symbol. So today we'll be learning H tags. So we're gonna start with less than symbol H1, greater than symbol. So now we can write anything inside it. So let's write hello. So to live test it, you need to go here in the extensions, search live server, then download it. I've already downloaded, so I'm not gonna do it, you do it. Then go here to your files, then a live test go live button will come here. So there you got the go live button. So if you click on it, it will take you to a default browser and open like this. So this is tutorial. the title of our website. And this is the text hello. So then we can change it. So it's H1, so we can make it to H2. H2. Then we again go to a browser and see it's getting more smaller. And then we can change it to H3. It's getting more smaller. Then we have H4. So H6 is the smallest. You can do with the tags. Then we have H5 and let's like test it. So you can say here it's getting very small. Now we have to test H6. This is the smallest you can go. So look, it's very small. So it's very small, you are very not able to see it. So you can see all the different types of text here. So this was it for today's video. So in the next episode, I will be teaching you how you can adjust the sizes of the text without the tags. So make sure to subscribe so you can get the video as soon as I upload it. Click the notification bell. Share the video if you want more people to learn coding. Comment below if you have any doubts. See ya!